So we've got Matt here from AVK, just demonstrating this up-down flat style stand. As you can see, we're currently tilting it down into the flat position. The one that's on screen is actually the same sort of stand without the motorization of going up and down and changing the angle. That's all the way flat, and then Matt will take it all the way down. In comparison to a stand like this, which is generally preferred for business environments when you don't need all the variability of these expensive up-down flat stands. The good advantage of this one is that you can change it for different user heights, especially convenient for teachers and early learning, and you can also change the angle if you've got bright lights like we have here and you want to reduce the glare. You can use one of these stands. This one that we're looking at with the full motion is around $2,200. The one that's on screen there, the basic stand where it's just got two legs, is around $400, and then your what we'd call the business style stand, which is a very basic fixed stand, but also looks quite nice. Comes in at halfway in between at around $1,000. avking.com.au.